Okay guys, you've been loading your 223 wrong this whole time. Almost everybody loads it like this, but everybody knows that it's more accurate if you load it like this. So these ones, you'd think it'd actually go in like that, but if you turn it around and reload it upside down like that, you'll actually be more accurate. Everybody knows that hollow points are more accurate because what happens is you get a cushion of air around here that forms a perfect tip, because no matter what happens, this one's not perfect. And then it just smoothly jets through the air, and the rifling gives it a nice spin, and you'll actually be more accurate loading it backwards than forwards. And to prove that, I've loaded 3 of these backwards. Actually forwards, this is backwards. And we're gonna go shoot them, and I'm gonna show you that they work.
Okay guys, so like I told you, more accurate like that, backwards. Put that sucker in there. Just gonna shoot one at a time. Lock that bolt, turn the safety off, and also to be more accurate, shoot it like this. See? Perfect. I don't know how well they'll cycle though, so we're gonna figure that out real quick. So I got them in there, 2 that are backwards. Seem to cycle just fine. Okay, so you can see what I'm shooting at. There's a bunch of nothing over there. Oh, she didn't cycle very good. I was wondering about that. In fact, it's more set back now. See? It's even more set back, but watch this. Okay? And shit's great. So now you know, load your bullets backwards, be more accurate. Just kidding guys, dude. It's April Fool's. It's full of crap. Don't load your bullets backwards.